Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you this lesson, some skills you can apply whenever you're soloing. Okay, most of the skills I apply whenever I'm soloing, so I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, so you will start practicing them, start applying them in your video as well whenever you want to solo. You know, when it comes to soloing, you have to understand how you apply your melodies. Okay, you have to understand how you apply your melodies, how you put in your note to note, okay, to give out a very good improvisation at the end of the day. Okay, so I'm not going to waste much of the time. I just want to go straight to the video. Okay, so here we are. Let's do the lesson in the key of C. This is the key of C. The key of C. Okay, that is the key of C, and there is the key of C as well. So now on this shape I just played now, on this particular C shape, so you can figure out some scale there. You can figure out some scale there, a kind of a Freudian scale. Okay, these are the scales I use mostly whenever I'm making improvisation, solo, you know. Okay, something like this. If I play the dominant 7 there, or you can play a minor 9 there. Okay, so I'm playing octave to octave. Okay, from this octave, okay, these are the scales I use mostly when I'm improvising. Okay, so I started, this is the key of C. Okay, this is the key of C. This is Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Okay, so I started from the Re. Re, Mi, Fa, Mi, Re, Mi, Fa, Mi. Okay. Re, mi, fa, mi, re, mi, mo, re. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry, D. This is do. Oh, D, re. Okay, D, re. Okay. Okay. Re, mi, fa, mi, re, D, re. Okay. Do, ti, zi, la, zi, la. La. That one is most time when you are on your La. When you want to go to your La. Okay. You can apply that then. Okay. La, sol, fa, mi. La, sol, fa, mi. Okay. So then I play another octave like this. Re, mi, fa, mi, re. Okay. Okay. Do, ti, zi, la. La, sol, fa, mi. So at first you have to understand the notations, the solver notations that are within this fret range. Okay. This space, you have to understand it, okay, from the do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, Okay, you just have to understand the scale within this box, this fret box. Okay, this place, this phrase. When you understand it, you can be able to freestyle and improvise it more better. Okay, so that is it. I just wanted to work on that scale very well. Okay, and wherever you don't understand, get back to me. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. Okay.